Welcome back to Punt 200, and this time we're going to be sorting out cables and fuel lines and tanks. World's fastest Bumpercar update. Unfortunately, none of these are going to work on the Yamaha end of things. So sadly, I don't think this is going to work in any shape or form, unless we can get a proper knob on the end of that, like that. So I've been thinking about using the Yamaha one, but I don't think that's going to work because I don't think it's going to be long enough. No. So we need a longer throttle cable with proper knobs on both ends. $10 later, we have a new throttle cable coming, so that's that sorted. And of course we've got the fuel tank coming. Yes. Exciting. Anyway, far more exciting. What do we have in here? That's for the Motor Guzzi. That's for the Motor Guzzi. We have Evil Energy. Don't worry, just some fuel connectors. And we have a fuel tank. A very nice too. Remarkable value for what was it, $60 I think. So that's our out, which will go to the pump, and then our return will come up to one of these, and that's where these boys come in, like so. And then we put those on there. Sweet. Shall we see what it looks like in situ? Well, that's pretty bloody perfect, isn't it? Nice. Something goes right the first time round. Cool. Probably shouldn't speak too soon, but it looks hopeful at least. It's a think tank. Well, of course it's not in the middle because of the chain guard, isn't it? We'll drill some more holes. Perfect. Lovely. Drill some holes in the chassis now. I'll be using some of my rivet nuts because I like them. I was going to put it up higher so we can fill it from there, but it's not really going to work anyway. We'll just have to take the back seat out, or seat back out, because we need to be able to open that and stuff like that. Don't know where the bloody battery's going to go. Over here, I suppose. Something like that, I guess. What can possibly go wrong? Sparks and fuel. Yeah. And there's our return plumbed in. Not routed yet, but don't know where we're going to put it. Along the side of the chassis rail, I guess. And then the delivery is from the bottom of the tank, obviously. So that'll come probably over here somewhere. Maybe over there, and then we connect up the pump in the middle, whatever that looks like, somewhere there, something like that. Yeah. Well, you'll never guess what I've been up to, well, apart from the haircut, obviously. Yes, drilling. In an effort to get one of these damn cables to work, we have established that might just work on the Yamaha throttle body thing. So what I had to do was cut one of these off the other cables, get rid of the cable there, and then actually drill out that to 3mm with one of these boys. Yeah. And the outer edge of that is only 5mm. So that means that's about 1mm thick. And that just fits through. Just like so. Which means we may well have resolved the throttle cable issue. Jesus, everything is a struggle with this. Meantime, Kurt's away. When he comes back, he's going to find me a pump. And then we can put pump in, then we can start putting everything back together again, and maybe fire this bugger up. Not before time, I hear you say. Well, fair enough. And talking of time, that'll be next time. So, yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe down here somewhere. Give the video the thumbs up. And, of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.